Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the H7 full beam light bulb or H7 cornering light bulb, unscrew the grille side cover. To replace the H7 bulb on the headlights, you will need to pull on the connector. To remove the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook upwards then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
To replace the cornering light bulb, stay in the same compartment. To remove the light bulb, simultaneously press and push the retaining clip up to free the clip from the securing lug. Pivot the hook, then remove the bulb. Remove the bulb from the power connector. Take the new bulb. Clip the bulb into place in the connector, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Then move the metal clip back up. Screw the cover back on. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb base and make a turn anti-clockwise. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, push and unscrew a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base. Then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the right. To change the H7 dipped beam light bulbs, remove the cover on the body side. Take the bulb board and make a rotation anti-clockwise. Remove the bulb from the power connector. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base. Then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the right. Put the cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.